Laser marking of these plastic or metal plates has long proven to be the ideal technology. In the previous video, we presented the Typeplate module. Alternatively, there is a version with an output chute and Z-axis. This special module simplifies your workflow when you need to quickly remove individual type plates or mark sensitive materials such as aluminium in perfect quality. The module is controlled by the SpeedMarker software, which makes it easy to handle dynamic data and different marking contents. As well as direct input, automation with customized user interfaces is also possible. The Z-axis pushes the plates from the magazine into the marking position. When the marking is complete, the plate is pushed forward to the chute. This gives you total flexibility, allowing you to remove individual items or entire series as required. Up to 100 signs can be quickly and easily stored. The magazine and chute are available for standard sizes 120 by 80 millimeters and 40 by 40 millimeters. The change of the magazine and the chute is quick and easy, thanks to the adjusting screws. This Typeplate module is also suitable for use with all of our SpeedMarker workstations.
For more information on integration, technical details, and more, visit our website or contact us.